and welcome back. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you guys 5 DIY Dollar Tree candy decor crafts. These are so fun and fabulous, easy to make, and you guys will never guess what we use to create these. They're amazing to use in wreaths, garlands, Christmas decor, baby shower, or birthdays. So you guys also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free, and punch the bell, click all. That will update you every single time I post a new video. We are rounding the bend to start my Christmas series, but I thought these fun candy ideas would kind of give us a good transition. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns. Get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For this Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to be making a jumbo Candyland large sucker. So you're going to take 2 pink party plates from the Dollar Tree. These are the hard plastic ones, and a wooden dowel. You're going to hot glue the wooden dowel to the bottom part of the plate, and then simply hot glue the other part of the plate on top of the original plate. To cover up the seams of my gluing, I'm going to take some of this Dollar Tree yarn, and I will say I wish I would have had a little bit of more of a chunky yarn. I did have to double up on the yarn, so I glued 1 strand of yarn around it to begin with, and then another one around that. That just reinforced it and made it look a little bit more clean. Then I took 2 pieces of yarn and just twisted them together, and that way I didn't have to do double gluing. So this is the base of the plate, and I'm just going to go around 1 time, and then to make the circular candy stripe, we're going to start in the center and very slowly and carefully gently hot glue a little candy stripe. And you're going to work in really small sections. You also probably want to have hot glue gun protectors on your fingers, or use a spatula to press your glue down. I do have neuropathy in my fingers, so I don't feel a lot of the ends of my fingers when I'm doing this type of more intense glue work. But for those of you guys that have more feeling in your fingers, definitely wear some glue gun protectors. But anyway, you're just going to take and make the little candy stripe with your yarn. Another option for this would be to paint the plate. The next thing I wanted to do was go really razzle dazzle and over the top. So I'm going to take this Mod Podge. This is just matte Mod Podge, and I'm going to use some of this Dollar Tree glitter, and I'm also again going to work in sections. The Mod Podge dries on the plate really quickly, so you just want to make a small section of glue, add your glitter, dump it out into the plate so you can continue to reuse it. For this large of a plate, I did the larger dinner plate from Dollar Tree that's in the party supply section. I did use 2 things of that glitter glue. I also painted my wooden dowel. Hindsight 2020, I should have done this part first, but I painted it white, and then I'm just using some of this curling ribbon from Dollar Tree to curl around to make it like a candy stripe base. Then I doubled up and made a big shoelace bow, added that to the base of my little sucker, and here is how it turned out. I think it looks so darn stinking cute. This is going to be for my daughter's Christmas tree. She requested a pink Christmas, and I'm even thinking about doing a Candyland Christmas maybe in my kitchen or in my studio. This just turned out so adorable, and it reminds me so much of when I originally started out on Etsy and Facebook, and I did a lot of Candyland Christmas, pink Christmas, really high-end designs for high-end clients that just wanted specifically pastel Christmas colors, and it all started with my daughter and doing the pink Christmas in her bedroom. So fun and fabulous, and these are really budget friendly. With those Dollar Tree larger dinner plates, it comes 4 to a pack, so you can get 2 suckers in 1. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to make a jumbo candy piece. I just took 2 of the little candy bowls from Dollar Tree, and I'm duct taping them together. So you just duct tape them end to end. Then I'm going to take a large tablecloth covering from Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut it in half, and this is doubled and then doubled again. You could paint your candy piece so it doesn't show through the purple and the duct tape, but I just went ahead and then doubled it up again. And then I'm just using hair ties like you would use in your hair to tie loosely off the end. So I thought this looked really cute, but then I was like, I think I should add some ribbon to make a stripe. So I'm simply also just taking this satin ribbon and gently pulling it under
where I have tied off the end of the candy underneath those hair ties. And so this was a pretty easy thing to do. I wish, hindsight 2020, that I would have added in more stripes. So I think when I make another one of these, I'm going to add in some more of the little white ribbon stripes. So I'm just tucking the white ribbon underneath where those ponytail holders are looped on the end. I wanted to have even more of a candy appearance, so I'm just taking this clear plastic cellophane from Dollar Tree. It comes in a big roll, and I cut off a piece to fit the size of this, and then I'm taking some of the Dollar Tree little pink tubing, and I'm just going to tie that off on the end. And it comes in all different colors, and you just make a big shoelace bow at the end and then trim that off, and it just makes it look really cute and candy-y. I also think the curling ribbon from Dollar Tree would look really cute on the ends of these. You know, there's just so many different little fun options on how you can decorate this. I also found that Dollar Tree had these candy stripe little pre-packaged bows, so I went ahead and added some of those in too. I also trimmed down the ends to fit the size of the candy. So I'm just taking and just trimming a tiny bit off the end of that pre-packaged bow because I didn't really need the whole full one, and then I'm hot gluing and pressing that down into my big candy piece. Here is how it turned out. I think if I add it to a tree, I'm going to put it a little bit more sideways. It's more up and down, but I think this turned out really, really cute for the first one of the season that I've done. I want to hopefully find some more of those tablecloth covers in different colors. Hopefully they have a purple one and then like a little aqua one. I think that would be so cute to make different colors of these. My daughter absolutely loved it. She loves pink even as a teenager. So I can't wait to make more for these and really put on a spectacular tree and do the Candyland theme somewhere in my house and then also in her bedroom. So fun and fabulous on a budget. For this next Candyland project, let's make a jumbo size piece of cotton candy. So from the Dollar Tree, I'm just taking one of their cones, and I found this burlap striped ribbon in the Crafter's Square section. So I'm just going to wrap that around the base of my cone. You guys could also just use scrapbooking paper, would be nice as well. I just saw this and it really caught my eye. Now the burlap is a little bit tricky to work with because when you hot glue, you have to use a spatula, or I'm using the ends of my scissors to kind of press the glue down into it to get it to stick together. So it can be a little bit tricky. Be really careful. You know, wear those glue gun protectors if you need to on a project like this. The next thing I'm doing is adding a wooden dowel to the center of my cone and then a little styrofoam ball on top of that. And then I'm taking a Dollar Tree mop end, and I'm just going to hot glue that in and around the base of my cone and then around the top. So I was really kind of wanting to do an ice cream cone idea, but I feel like it kind of came out looking more like cotton candy, so I'm just going to roll with it. It looks Candyland-ish, so we're just going to go for it. I also added a little bit of hot glue to the tip. Now I'm putting a plate underneath this. I'm going to use some of the adhesive Mod Podge, and I'm going to spray it in and around the top part of my little cotton candy, and then I'm adding in some glitter in and around that. Some of the pink glitter from Dollar Tree. It comes in a 3-pack, which I felt like was a pretty good deal for doing all these nice little projects. And I also wanted to add some to the back, so I'm just adding in some more Mod Podge and then adding in some more glitter. And then once I was done really glitterifying my cotton candy, I think you can also paint these mop heads like pink if you wanted to just be all pink. I added in another layer on top of the glitter, so the glitter hopefully will stay and not be sparkly everywhere, although I do love my sparkles. So here is how it turned out. I think it looks really adorable, fun and fabulous, and absolutely adorable for a Candyland type Christmas theme. And if you're not doing Candyland Christmas, that's okay. Maybe you guys could do this for a birthday party, or maybe you just like to have some fun decor around your house. These would also look cute in wreaths. Just another little fun idea for you guys. me share with you guys how you can make a fake piece of cake using a Dollar Tree square piece of styrofoam, and you can really grab any fabric you have on hand. So for this Candyland theme, I have been using this burlap with the stripes from Dollar Tree, and I'm simply just cutting this into strips and then hot gluing it in and around the styrofoam. You can tell I'm using the ends of my scissors because hot gluing with burlap is really tricky. You're going to need at least a spatula or something where you're not burning your fingertips off, or some hot glue gun protectors. But you basically just want to create a little kind of a faux candy piece or cake. Now, I would like to go in and make some real faux cakes where I use the spackle and all of that, but I was crafting on the fly today and I was trying to get this little theme ready for you guys. The next thing I added was one of those little pink and white pin cushions from the Dollar Tree Crafters Square section, and then they also had these cute little roses, which I thought would make it look cute, like it was a little cake. This is more of like a little whimsical creation than it really looks very much like a cake. But anyway, we're going to keep rolling with it. I think it's adorable, and I wanted to use up some of the rest of that fabric that I used making little cotton candy that you guys can see all the little candy pieces we have created so far. I'm adding a little red pom-pom to the top of this to create kind of just like a cherry effect. And here is how that looks. I popped it into this cute little Christmas tree idea. And, you know, honestly, I'm just now starting to pull out my Christmas. So give me grace on what I have going on here. And also I am in a little bit of a hurry on this one because it's almost time for me to leave. My daughter has a tennis match this afternoon and it's about 2 hours away. So I'm working on these DIYs and then editing while I'm at her match while she's not playing, driving back home, and then editing some more, and you know, trying to get this content out for you guys. But I thought that this turned out so adorable, and it's really easy to change up the theme. You guys could really make a cake out of any little fabric color. You could even use some scrapbooking paper or foam. Fun and fabulous Candyland theme on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take one of the Dollar Tree wooden cutouts and this burlap fabric. I had this left over. This is the same piece of fabric that I used for the other two DIYs for my Candyland theme. I want to do a Candyland theme style ornament, so I'm hot gluing all around my little wooden cutout, and then I'm just going to press that fabric on top of it. This is kind of a fun way you guys can use up extra fabric to coordinate in with whatever decor style you're doing, and create a really cute little ornament. I could paint these stripes, but it would take me forever and a day and my lines would not be this straight. I'm adding a little bit more hot glue to the top and adding a little bit more piece of fabric. Don't panic, a bow is going to cover most of this if you're worried about the stripes that were being off. Now I'm going to take a piece of Dollar Tree little burlap ribbon, dovetail the ends. That means you're just going to cut a triangle in the end, and then you're going to take and you're going to hot glue that to the top part of your cute little candy themed ornament. This is super easy. I wanted something really easy that you guys could do with these wooden cutout ornaments. And I like these because they're jumbo. So hey, we're making a jumbo ornament, but it's really $1.25 for the wooden cutout, and then for a little bit of scraps and baubles, not much at all. So I think this is very budget friendly, and you guys can really customize this for any Christmas theme that you're creating. So maybe you're doing red and white Candyland, maybe you're doing black and white, maybe you're doing royal, Victorian, traditional, whatever color you guys are doing, just use that color of fabric or scrapbooking paper. Guys can also easily use scrapbooking paper. I'm adding in just a cute little pink satin bow and some little pink burlap roses. I think a friend of mine sent those to me. I also decided to go a little bit over the top and add in some little pearls, and these are jumbo size pearls from Dollar Tree. I thought I'd make it kind of look like jumbo with sprinkles, or I don't know, just make it look more whimsical. You guys can see I'm still in my morning workout outfit. I got done from working out, went to the Dollar Tree, grabbed the supplies, and just started crafting. I didn't even get ready. Usually I get ready and do my intro and then start my crafting, but I was so excited to craft today, you guys. I'm really getting excited for making Christmas crafts. So anyway, here is how it all turned out. I think it looks really adorable, so many fun ideas. And so this whole video is on YouTube, and I'm also going to post some of these ideas on Facebook. So wherever you guys are watching this, I hope you're enjoying it and I hope you're inspired. Again, my daughter wants a pink Christmas for her bedroom and her room, and so this mama is going to make that happen. And I love making jumbo ornaments. I think these are so fun. And you know, an ornament this size in the store is going to be really expensive, but using Dollar Tree supplies, you guys can really save a lot of money. And then, of course, here is my puppy dog, Benji Bear. He is such a good helper for mom. He was actually really excited when I got home from my daughter's tennis match because he missed me. He's got his little green ball, so you can see his emotions are really big, and he's really excited. He's sitting next to me right now while I'm recording this voiceover for you guys, so he wants to say hi. Ruff, ruff to all his puppy dog and kitty cat friends out there. We love y'all.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting different adventure. I hope you guys are inspired to create something sweet and fabulous for your home decor or your Christmas decor. If you guys are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Also, don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free. Punch the bell and click all that will update you every single time I post a new video. I am such a busy mama. I actually just got back from my daughter's tennis event, so it's almost 9 o'clock at night, but I wanted to record an intro for you guys for this video. I used to do so much fun at Pink Christmas, so if you guys have been following me for a long time, you're probably familiar with some of these fun things, but I am super excited. My daughter wants a pink Christmas theme in her bedroom, so I'm going to be creating some fun and fabulous decor ideas for that, and just tons of different themes for Christmas. So I can't wait to start my I Love Christmas series. Listen, I love y'all to the moon and back. We're going to have a big birthday celebration countdown as well. My birthday is coming up. So I'm going to let you guys go, and until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye!